If you need to reset your Zoom password, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Step 1. Go to the Zoom sign-in page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zoom sign-in page at Zoom, /signin. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the sign-in page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will take you to the password reset page. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Zoom account in the provided field. Make sure it is the correct email to receive the reset link. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for an email from Zoom. Follow the instructions in the email, which will include a link to reset your password. Step 5. Create a new password. Click the link in the email, and you will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and submit the changes. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Zoom account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider checking your spam folder for the reset email or contacting Zoom support for assistance.